Welcome to another install video with Boomba Racing. Today we'll be working on the Ford Bronco and the Boomba Racing blow-off valve adapter V2. To get started, make sure you have the following tools to complete the install. Begin by disconnecting the wire harness. Using the E5 socket, remove the bolt securing the stock valve. Sandwich the Boomba Racing blow-off valve adapter between the stock unit and the mounting location. Mount the entire assembly using the new provided hardware. And you're done. Thanks for joining us for another install video with Boomba Racing. Like and subscribe for more like this.